Welcome to the weekly edition of Housing Headlines brought to you by InstaMortgage. In this week's headlines, investor home buying activity rises for the first time since 2022. Secondly, first-time homebuyers are shoring up market. And lastly, we will take a look at how mortgage rates hold steady ahead of important economic data. Hi, I am Rachel. I am the AI spokesperson at InstaMortgage. Investor home purchases in the United States have increased for the first time in nearly 2 years, with roughly 44,000 homes bought in the first quarter of 2024, marking a 0.5% rise from the previous year. This resurgence is driven by rising home prices and rents, as well as a shift towards high-priced single-family homes, particularly in expensive California markets. Investors accounted for 18.7% of home sales, the highest share in almost 2 years, with significant activity in low-priced homes, which made up 47.5% of their purchases. Despite this growth, investor activity decreased in more affordable markets like Cincinnati and Baltimore. Next up, mortgage applications decreased 5.2% last week, with the Market Composite Index showing a significant drop due to higher mortgage rates and the Memorial Day holiday. The Refinance Index fell 7%, and the Purchase Index dropped 4% from the previous week, also down 13% year over year. The average loan size decreased, and while mortgage rates varied slightly, the overall market saw an increase in government purchase volume, driven by first-time homebuyer demand using government lending programs. Adjustable-rate mortgage activity saw the most significant rate drop, boosting their application share. Last but not least, the U.S. job market added 272,000 jobs in May, surpassing expectations and indicating that the Federal Reserve will likely delay interest rate cuts. This strong employment data suggests continued economic strength, leading to elevated mortgage rates that are expected to remain around 7% for the near future. The 30-year fixed rate averaged 7.03% as of today, June 7th. That's unchanged from last week's. The 30-year FHA rate was 6.54%, while the 30-year VA rate was 6.55%. That's down from last week's average by 0.02%. The 15-year fixed rate also remained steady, averaging 6.55%. And that rounds up the weekly edition of Housing News brought to you by InstaMortgage. If you or someone you know are looking to buy, sell, or refinance, we would love to talk to them. Have them reach out to the loan officer who sent you this video.